Today, I am reviewing HP 2023 15.6-inch touchscreen laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you are searching for a laptop that combines performance, portability, and style, the HP 2023 15.6-inch touchscreen laptop is a fantastic choice that caters to both professionals and casual users. At its core, it's powered by the Intel Core i3-1115G4 processor, which runs at 3 GHz and can boost up to 4.1 GHz. Despite being an i3, this processor is highly efficient and outperforms some older i5 processors, giving you smooth performance for web browsing, video streaming, office tasks, and light creative work. Coupled with 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, it ensures seamless multitasking, allowing you to run multiple applications and browser tabs without slowing down your workflow. This is perfect for students, professionals, and anyone who needs a reliable machine for everyday tasks. Storage is another area where this laptop excels. It comes equipped with a 256GB SSD, which not only ensures rapid boot times and app launches, but also allows you to store essential files, documents, and media with ease. If you need even more storage or faster performance, the HP 2023 supports upgrades up to 32 GB RAM and 1 TB SSD, future-proofing your device for years to come. The combination of SSD speed and expandable RAM makes this laptop versatile enough for light gaming, office productivity, and multimedia tasks without breaking a sweat. One of the standout features of this model is its 15.6-inch touchscreen display. With a resolution of 1366 by 768 pixels, it delivers sharp visuals, vibrant colors, and clear images. The touchscreen functionality enhances your interaction with the laptop, making navigation, editing, and creative tasks more intuitive and fluid. Whether you're scrolling through documents, browsing the web, or watching movies, the touchscreen provides a modern and interactive experience that traditional laptops simply cannot match. The Intel UHD graphics also ensures that videos and casual games play smoothly, giving you an enjoyable multimedia experience. Connectivity is robust and versatile, making it easy to integrate the HP 2023 into your digital life. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth allow for fast and stable wireless connections, while the HP TrueVision 720p HD camera with a privacy shutter ensures secure and clear video calls. Integrated dual-array microphones capture crisp audio, making online meetings and video calls professional and reliable. For connecting peripherals, you have two USB-A 3.0 ports, one USB-C 3.0 port, an HDMI output, and a combined headphone/microphone jack, which allows seamless connections to external displays, storage devices, and other accessories. The full-size keyboard with numeric keypad enhances productivity for typing, calculations, or office work, while the touchscreen complements it for gestures and direct input. This laptop runs on Windows 11 Home in S mode, which provides a secure and efficient environment. S mode helps protect against malware and phishing while ensuring fast boot times and smooth performance. Windows 11's modern interface is clean, intuitive, and designed for productivity, allowing users to easily switch between tasks, access apps, and enjoy entertainment. The laptop also offers a battery life of up to 8 hours, which means you can work, study, or enjoy media for an extended period without constantly worrying about recharging. Portability is another major advantage of the HP 2023. Weighing just 3.75 pounds, it is lightweight and easy to carry between offices, classrooms, or while traveling. Its slim and stylish natural silver design makes it a sleek and professional-looking device that fits perfectly in any setting. Beyond just looks, this laptop is built to deliver reliability and efficiency for everyday computing needs. What truly sets the HP 2023 apart is its balance of power, functionality, and affordability. It's not just a laptop with a touchscreen or a slim design. It's a device that empowers productivity, entertainment, and creativity. From fast and responsive performance with the Intel i3 processor, smooth multitasking with expandable RAM, lightning-fast storage with SSD, to the convenience of a touchscreen interface, This laptop meets a wide variety of needs. It is ideal for students who need a reliable device for schoolwork, professionals who require a portable yet powerful workstation, and casual users who enjoy entertainment and media streaming. Additionally, the HP 2023 offers a future-ready setup with expandable RAM and SSD options. This means as your demands grow, you can easily enhance the performance and storage without needing to replace the device entirely. This makes it an intelligent investment, combining current performance with long-term potential. Whether it's for work, study, or play, the HP 2023 provides a seamless computing experience with excellent visuals, intuitive interaction, and reliable performance. In conclusion, the HP 2023 15.6-inch touchscreen laptop is a remarkable device that stands out in its class.